Okay, regular viewers to the channel, all two of you, might notice this is a little bit different, but this is the most exciting video I have made so far because it is coming to you and it is being recorded from foreign parts. And that is my dream, is to be able to travel light and still make my content, still do my software review videos from anywhere in the world. And this is where I am. So we're going to talk about Manycam. Before you turn off, there might be some Manycam haters here. And yes, there are lots of different screen recording softwares available. To me, Manycam has just got the simplicity and a couple of killer features which makes it totally worth it. And it is my go-to. And I'm going to show you just a couple of things. A not long video, but just why I use it. And really, I'm just using this video to get into it. First one, I'm going to be very busy this month. I'm going to work very hard. I will have a bit of a holiday as well, but and get back into the swing of things, making my videos, because I had a bit of a tough month last month, so you didn't see a lot. So sorry about that. So just to show you, all right. So yes, obviously, it's a virtual background, and yes, you can probably tell it's a virtual background, but I've got no green screen. I've got no mad lighting here. So if I turn it off, I'm sure you will agree that even though it's not perfect, it's a lot better than the actual background, which is my apartment room in foreign places. It's actually a really nice apartment, but you can see that it's not lit and it's pretty dark. So if I wanted to really, create a good background, I'd have to start lighting the background, or I'd have to start bringing green screen, and it's not going to happen. So I can on Manycam, and to be fair, I actually think it works really well. I can replace the background. I can change it to just about anything. And some of them look better than others. And some of them look Christmas scene. Some of them look tacky. And some of them actually, to be honest, don't work because, there's just, the green screen's not perfect because you can change the edges and stuff. And it isn't perfect because it's not actual green screen. But to me, and this is killer feature number one to me, it gives a good enough look so that I can, mess about, make a background that looks okay for what I am doing. I'd love to know your thoughts, and I'm sure you'll probably agree that that is better than that. Okay, so you can have that background, or you can blur that background, and there are more advanced settings. So that is killer feature number one, and all I've got for my setup, and again, you can see it's not perfect. I'll just show you one of these, hang on. I've got 3 of these. This is all I brought with me. Oh, hang on. Let me... My New Year's resolution is to not do editing. It's just to get the videos out there. So if I turn off the green screen, that's what I've got. I've just got 3 of these, and they're fantastic. They're LED lights. Can you see that? So they're only small. I didn't want to bring 3 ring lights because, again, they're massive. So they weren't expensive, and I'm not. There's no link there, so you can get hold of them. If you need the link, just email me and I'll tell you where I got them from. So I've literally got 3 of them. And I realise, obviously the, yes, because I wear glasses, there's a bit of a reflection, but it's not as bad as the ring lights, is it? So, yeah, that's going to be me. Look, I'd love you to tell me as well very quickly which one you think is the best background, but we'll go for something like that. And if someone comments and says, whatever, that's killer feature number one. Manycam has got another killer feature, and this, right, we're gonna have the repeat thing now. So number one, it does it like that, and then when I cut to my videos and I go, so normally that background would be a bit of a software review video. So normally I'd have all the software going on there while I'm demonstrating it, but I've not connected up to the internet, as I say. The feature I just want to show you very quickly is this killer feature, and it's very simple. This is why I like Manycam. This is not a full product review of Manycam, but you've got your scenes down there. Can you see your scenes? You can load anything up on those scenes, so you can load up graphics. I used to use that one, and I would insert into that one. Hang on, I would insert just show you how easy it is. I'd have my webcam like that, and then I'd get rid of the background. Transparent. So, see what I can do there? See, it's just very easy. What I'm trying to demonstrate on this video is how easy Manycam is. It really is simple to use. All right, so you see another scene there. But if I jump back to that, it's going to repeat lots and lots. But the killer feature that I really like is that button. Can you just see where, just above my head there? It's a pause button. I have not seen any other screen recording software that's got the pause button. And that means, so if you do this kind of job, you want to... by the way, the reason I'm whispering a bit as well is it's my first night in the apartment and I want to gauge whether I can talk loudly or not. I don't want to annoy the neighbours. Quite often when I'm doing a review video, say it's something where I've got to input something in a text box, I don't want to start typing and going da, 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 da. So I'll just say, I'll have a think what I'm going to put, and I'm just going to pause this video. So I'm going to click the pause now and type what I've typed, and I come back. And that pause button, I've not seen it on any other screen recording software. It just makes life so much easy. It's kind of an edit on the go, so that I don't have to spend loads of time editing after. Very easy to add your scenes. Can you see where my mouse is down there? Add different things to your scene, so you can add graphics, PDFs, all sorts of stuff. You can add another desktop or a PowerPoint. Set up all your different screens. It's actually probably designed more for live streaming, but I actually use it for recording more. So, quick video. It's not that long, is it? Of me and my first video from a foreign land. I'll tell you all about it, and I'll do a few more YouTube shorts next week. So, hope you understand. Tell me what you think. Is this... Be honest with me. You know, does that background... If you were seeing this video for the first time and I had that in the background, would you think... Loser. I'm interested to know, you know, or do you not think it really matters and you think that's okay for what I'm doing? Thanks, everybody. Thanks for the subscriptions. As I say, sorry there weren't many videos in January. I had a bit of family stuff going on, but all good now, and I'm away for January making videos and having a bit of a holiday as well. See you soon, everyone.